folks, well, the bike's not on the bench anymore and we're going to start it up, but before we can start it up I need to get this downstairs. My workshop's on the top floor, so it's going to have to go down in a crane, and I just thought you might like to see it. Enjoy! Well, morning folks. Time's running out. As you saw last night, there was a lot of kicking and not a lot of starting. And sometimes the best thing to do at that point is to walk away and have a think and just go back with a fresh head and double check. So this morning I've been in early, I've confirmed the valve timing and the ignition timing is correct, so all of that's fine. I've checked that there's no blockages in the exhaust because I thought, you know, I've never checked that. I've painted it, I've, you know, cleaned it and so on, but I've never checked it was clear, but it was. And just had a little play with other bits and pieces. Now, I think we're somewhere near. I've had a few pops and so on, and I messed about with the ignition timing just on the lever a little bit, and I have a feeling we're sort of getting somewhere. So let's give it a go.
Well, it done. Burning off a bit of oil, as you'd expect. But I'm happy with that. A couple of things to tighten up, as you can see. But we probably should give it a go, shouldn't we?